Welcome to day 3. It's gonna be a rainy day. You're waiting for the bathrooms. They're having to open it, and it's 8:30. So, no, for those who don't, we're at the community store, thrifting. Alright, I haven't been recording today too much because all we've been doing is thrifting. Well, I picked up some tea sets. I also booked that cabin right there for my birthday. So, see how it goes. Back for day 2 of Avenger Sports. Your son said he's gonna steal Thanos. Aren't you proud of him? No.
Give me money, Daddy. No, go ask Dad for money. Jacob. Ask him for money.
He asked for money.
No, say, give me money, Daddy.
Dad, can I have Avenger Sport?
But he's being a boy. Say cheese, Jacob. Listen, we did it. We did it.
We did it.
We finally did one.
Maybe the real Hamlet was the friends we made along the way.
Oh, bye. Hello. Hello, dear. Hello. Go, Jacob, go, go. Oh, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. 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 Throw it, Jacob, throw it.
Throw it. No, throw it.
Go to the end. I'll try to outro this one at least. We're still raining. We went to Retro Sports. So the kids being kids. And it's 10 o'clock at night, 10:30. And we're over here. It's still drizzling. And a skunk is running around somewhere. So if I don't see you after this, catch you guys tomorrow. We'll go to Hershey Park.